She wants to be in your picture, sweetie. We are in Bangkok, and this is our hotel.
Okay.
Just in the middle of the downtown core.
Yeah.
It's pretty nice and pretty noisy here.
Oh yes, because it's a backpackers hotel, isn't it?
Oh, and it's busy.
Oh yeah.
Hey, well, we made it to Bangkok, another city, and we already are in one of the many pagodas here.
Yeah, it's the Temple of Charm.
Well, that must be named after me then.
Oh come on!
Why?
I mean, really?
Why?
Temple of Charmer is named after you.
Well, of
I'm
course.
the charmer here.
No, it's only natural. It's
Yeah.
me.
But you know what? One thing. You and I, we were here 10 years ago.
Has it changed a lot?
Man, I can't believe it.
Like, I mean,
Huh.
They have a great highway
They have-
system.
real streets.
You know, so much I'm concerned, Bangkok has definitely become one of the superior cities in the world.
And it's one of those
You know.
really hot days.
Yeah, like the
know what?
infrastructure here is great.
But you know what I like?
What?
I like every area has a shopping area.
I know who else likes that.
Yeah, you will like
Spend,
that.
spend,
I have
spend.
no room in my luggage. Otherwise, it's shopping heaven.
Yes, it
that's
sure
true.
is, isn't it? And it's cheap too.
That's just the point.
Yeah.
woman.